Hi again. One of the first things that we're going to learn how to do in our Moodle classroom is insert a label. Label is simply as it sounds. It's a label for a text area, for an activity. It's a text box that you can enter essentially anything that you want. Instructions, content for the lesson, context. So the way to do it is pretty simple. We're going to first turn editing on. There are two different areas where you can do that. I prefer the buttons, so I just click the button, but they both do the same thing. You'll see when we turn editing on that we actually get a tool set for our existing resources, and then in each of our content blocks we also have a drop down for new resources or activities that we would like to add. So the first thing I'm going to do is scroll down to the block that I'm working on currently, which is our Moodle Basics block. And I'd like to add a second label because I have a second set of instructions to add, and I'm going to keep them broken up. So I just simply choose Insert a Label from the drop-down resources. What appears is a word processor box. Should look familiar for anyone who has used Microsoft Word or a similar word processor. Now, I've copied text from another location that I'm going to use, and I'm simply going to paste it into the word processing box. So you can see that I've added it all in there. And then I'm just going to click Save and Return to Course, and we'll see if it shows up in our content block. So we scroll back down, and there's my second set of text. Now I can move that text up and down in my course. I can edit it, I can delete it, and I can also hide it from view, or I can tab it in to the right using that tool set that appears when you turn editing on. But for right now, I'm happy just with the label itself, and that's how easy it is. Thanks.